Hello, my name is Zanalya, Princess of the Seven Seas. And you may remember me from last time. I told you a fisherman named Scott saved me and rescued me. My tail was trapped and I was injured. I've been here for some time now, and tomorrow I'll be released back to my home of the Seven Seas. I fell in love while I was here, and I know I'm not supposed to fall in love with humans. So I decided to turn my human that I fell in love with into a merman, and we will be united with the Seven Seas tomorrow. This is my new husband, Zane. He doesn't talk much, but I'm trying to teach him how to speak English. He knows mermaid language, but he doesn't know English. So today, we are going to have a seafood boil. We have on the menu today, we have green lip mussels, we have sea pearls, my favorite. We have shrimp, we have crawfish, we have corn, and I think you guys call these potatoes? Yes, potatoes. Do you remember what potatoes taste like? I love you. Okay, let's eat, babe. Shrimp. Yes, it's head on shrimp, babe. Mmm. Try some green mussels, babe. I hope you guys have been well. I'm so excited to be reunited with my family and my friends. And I'm so excited. I don't know if you guys remember, but I told you I just had my mom. And I didn't have any sea friends. But now, me and Zane and I will be joining, and he will meet my mother. We don't feel like talking today. We just want to eat. You like it? I just want to thank all the amazing cutie cues out there for supporting me while I've been here. Very delicious. This is my last seafood boil until we go back to the ocean. Do you remember what corn tastes like? I'm gonna miss a seafood boil this way. Are you excited to meet my mom? Very delicious. Prince Zane, I turned him, as I said before, I turned him into a merman. He is already fully equipped. He knows how to swim. He knows everything he needs to do once we get back into the ocean. But I'm so excited to let you meet all my mermaid people. Did you try any sea pearls? Humans will be celebrating New Year's tomorrow. Humans will be celebrating New Year's. You don't remember being a human? Well, I would like to say Happy New Year to all you humans. And I want you all to live a life of abundance. Be kind to one another. Love one another. And treat people the way you would like to be treated. Right? The sea pearls are my favorite. Prince Zane and I did get married while we were here. But once we get back to the ocean, we will have a ceremony with my mom and all the sea creatures so they can witness our union. I just love my Zane Poo so much. So good. You want to wipe your hands? Did you try a sea pearl, babe? No? Are you full? You had enough? You want a shrimp? Ooh. Prince Zane is not fully evolved yet, so he still has some human characteristics. But once we get into the ocean, he will never remember being a human ever again. Do you miss your family? But you love me more? Are you nervous about going to the ocean with me? Well, you're going to be with me, so there's nothing to be nervous about. Everyone's going to welcome you. You are royalty now. Are you full? I'm getting full too. Well, humans, it has been so nice to meet you all. I'm so excited to be released back into the ocean with my mother. I can't wait to see my mother. I've missed her so much. I can't wait for her to meet my prince, and we're going to get married in the oceans, and I'm just so excited. I want you guys to have an amazing new year. I want you guys to please treat the ocean as best as you can. Be respectful to creatures that do not look like you, and even people who don't act like you or look like you. Be kind to one another, and have a great new year. I love you all so much. I will still be with you in spirit. Scott and Q treated me so kind while I was here. My tail is completely healed, and I'm so excited to be reunited to the oceans. Take care, you all. Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, so you guys, I hope you guys enjoy Princess Zanalya and Scott, who is in as Prince Zane.
Yeah.
You guys named him Prince Zane. I think that was a good name.
It's a good name. Zane, it's a Z name.
Yeah. So if you guys want to see how I did our makeup, I have it. We went live and we did the makeup. And Scott actually did pretty good with the makeup. He's gotten a lot better.
It's hard standing up. I had to stand up. That was kind of... It's just I'm not used to makeup.
Yeah.
It's not like, you know.
I know.
It's like my first time ever. You've probably been putting on makeup since you were like 3.
I've been putting on makeup for a pretty long time.
But how old were you when you first, like...
When I first ever put makeup on?
Like, when you first had makeup on, yeah.
I was pretty young because my grandmother, she used to let me play in her makeup, and I used to love doing my makeup when she did her makeup.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I've been doing makeup for a really long time, but it's really fun for me. It can be very therapeutic. But then I started getting better at it, you know, as time went on.
Yeah. But
I really enjoyed this. Thank you so much for being Prince Zane.
Yeah.
And a great way to close out the...
I'm a terrible actor, that's why I didn't talk. I don't know how to get in the character. I love movies, but I'm a terrible actor.
This was a great way to close out the year. You guys, I hope you guys have been reflecting on the year of 2019. And I hope you guys have been appreciating your highs and appreciating your lows. I hope you guys have been learning things from the year. Things that you will take with you in 2020. Things that you will leave behind in 2019. I love you all so much. I want you guys to crush your goals. I want you guys to do everything that you dream of.
Knock them out.
Your life can be just as magical as Princess Zanalya and Prince Zane.
Yeah.
And that's what life is about. It's about having fun. It's about doing the things that you want to do, living a life of abundance, being happy, being free of judgment of anything. And look at 2020 as a clean slate. You know what I'm saying? Move forward, love yourself, love your family.
Yeah.
You know, get better at things that you are weak in. And Princess Zanalya is going back to the ocean. I love mermaids. Princess Zanalya was birthed from my love for mermaids. And of course eating seafood so much, you know, I just feel like I'm a mermaid half the time. But yes, you guys, it has been my pleasure to bring you guys exciting and new content, and you guys will get a lot of that in 2020.
For sure.
Baby, did you have anything you wanted to say?
Yeah. No, not really.
No?
And thank you to everybody who has supported me this year. I started my channel this year, and I've had a lot of fun doing it. I hope to continue to put out as many videos as I can and just have fun. Yes. Have a good time. Yeah.
And that's what I want you guys to take from this video. Yeah, exactly. Have fun. Love yourself. Love yourself no matter what. No matter what anybody thinks. No matter what anybody says. Yeah. Continue to love yourself no matter what. And respect yourself. Respect others.
Nobody knows you better than you.
Nobody knows you better than you. That's right. Say that again, baby.
Nobody knows you better than you.
That's right. But yeah, I love you guys so much. Thank you all so much for supporting me this year. It's been overall, it's been a really good year for me. It's been a really good year for me, and I can't wait to crush 2020. Goals are already set, things are already in motion, and I just can't wait for it all to unfold. I love you all so much. Baby, thank you so much for being with me and being amazing as you always are. And we will see you guys next year. Bye.
2020, baby.
Mwah. We gotta make a noise together. What kind of noise is it?
What noise am I supposed to make?
Oh no, what kind of noise?
Here. Here.